Hello everyone, welcome to part 1 of this tags from Old Site TikTok Trend Edit tutorial. In this first part, we will prepare the structure of the edit, like splitting clips, adjusting durations, reversing, and adding keyframes. This is the base that holds everything together. Okay? Let's get started. First, just open your CAPCUT and then import your main clips like this. And right after that, just import your music track. And then next, just split your video. You will have one intro and 11 slow clips. And then just set the timing like this. Just set your intro at 3.9 seconds like this, and then clip 1 at the 0.9 like this, and then clip 2 also 0.9, and then clip 3 just set at 0.7 like this, and then clip 4 just set it at 0.5 like this, and then clip 5 is very short, just 0.3, and then just duplicate clip 5 to make as a clip 6 but extend it to 0.7. And next, clip 7 it's 1 second, and then clips 8 and 9 set it at 0.7. And then clip 10 just set it at 0.5, and the last clips just set it at exactly 1 second. Next, just give clip 5 a unique look. Just reverse it, and then just add keyframes at the beginning and the end of every clip, but except clip 5. And then on the clip 1, zoom in at the end. And then at the clip 2, just zoom in at the start. And then just alternate this pattern all the way down. And then just smooth everything with graph. Just make it graph like this. Like this. And next, on the last clips, add 3 keyframes. And then just set the opacity at the first keyframe. Just make it to 0. like this. And then set 100 at the middle and then down to 80 at the end. Like this. And next, just apply the graph. Just apply it out between keyframe 1 and 2. Like this. And last, your video will look like this. Like this. And that's part 1. You now have the structure and base motion for the trend edit. And in the part 2 we will add overlays and masking to boost the style even further. So just see you in the part 2.